you help Anya up? Oh, good job. Say hi to Aunt Janet. I'm not taking a picture. I'm taking a movie.
Oh yeah, do something.
Show Aunt Janet you're swimming.
Yeah, you guys both do your
Let's
swimming.
do two.
On video.
2 6-year-olds, almost 7-year-olds. Go, buddy. Oh, he's doing a flip. Oh no, he's doing backwards swimming. Okay. How about your arm swimming? Okay. Don't drink the lake. Grandma always says that. Swim, don't splash. You're kidding, right? Are you kidding? Swim. Sticking his butt up. Will you show Aunt Janet? Oh, I see. All right. All right. Well.